What's up, guys?
What's up?
So today we're gonna be doing a challenge that we seen on Facebook. My girl Ching is the one that showed me the challenge. That I seen it on her timeline, but someone else created the challenge. So I just want to shout her out because she gave me the idea. She literally gave me the idea. But she got the trend from somebody else. So shout out to them. I want to see what it tastes like. I'm not a big fan of strawberry, but I did taste the strawberry shake when I ate the Good Burger meal, and it was pretty good. So let me get up and get the milk.
I never tried. I tried these before, guys, and I tried these, of course. These are cereals, so I tried these, of course, and I tried this, but with cereal. So
we got our milk, we got our cereal,
and we got our ice cream.
We got our ice cream, and we got our big gigantic size bowls.
And our spoon.
Still a little bit, but it's gonna be okay. All right, I'm gonna do the honors of opening this, and Reagan gonna open that. Be careful, just try to. Okay.
We're gonna see if this bust and bust.
We're trying to pour too much.
Yeah, because we don't know if we like it or not.
Still gotta eat them. So,
yeah.
Open our popsicle. And we're gonna take it and mash it together.
Oh, we gotta open like a chip bag.
So we're gonna take this, and I'm going to.
It just slid out.
Yeah. So what they was doing, what I saw them doing, was mashing it up. God knows what my stomach is gonna be like tonight. Okay. So let's mash it up. And you do this first before you. Then we're gonna open our whole milk.
Now mix it.
And I'm using my big.
You think it's gonna be good?
It's giving already strawberry milk because the colors are already changed.
It was so red on the picture.
So now
what it was.
I'm gonna get
Let's taste it.
my milk. 1, 2, 3.
It tastes just like the cereal, but with a little strawberry flavor.
With a flavor. That's crazy.
The ice cream made it a little bit colder.
I didn't expect it. I'm definitely a chocolate girl. Mmm. What you rate it?
I'm not gonna give it a 10, but a 9.5. I mean, the only reason I give it that is good, but it's kind of not standing up to itself. No.
I would definitely give this a 8.5. Cause you know they get a lot of challenges out here. I give it an 8.5.
It's not sticking out enough.
Hmm.
I feel it's not sticking out enough. Like it's not much flavors.
It's good. It's good to me, and I'm picky. I am. I don't eat everything. That be y'all.
You said you'll eat anything you get. A month ago, you said you'll eat
I did.
You should have had the microphone.
It's coming in the mail.
You got a microphone upstairs too. The microphone upstairs or like the microphone?
I can't find the thing to go on my phone.
Oh.
It's nasty, but she still eating. Don't believe me. This stuff good.
I didn't say it was nasty. This is just like cereal.
I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all need to try this.
If y'all got Frosted Flakes, go. If y'all don't, go buy y'all some. Get y'all some. This. Pour some milk and.
Follow step. Until next time, guys.
Bye.